We'll guide you through how to create a Claude edit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude AI website on your desktop browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with all your previous projects. Click on the Create New Edit button, usually located at the top left corner. This will open a new editing interface. Here, you can start by selecting the document or text you want to edit. You can upload a file from your computer or copy-paste the text directly into the editor. After your document is loaded, you'll see various editing tools on the sidebar. These tools include options for grammar checking, style adjustments, and content enhancements. For a basic edit, click on the Grammar Check tool. It will automatically scan your document for any grammatical errors and suggest corrections. You can accept these changes by clicking on each suggestion. If you want to enhance the style of your writing, use the Style Adjustment tool. This tool provides recommendations on improving the flow and readability of your text. You can choose which suggestions to apply by clicking on them. Once you are satisfied with the edits, click on the Save button at the top to save your changes. If you want to keep a copy of the original document, make sure to save your edited version as a new file. Before you finish, take a moment to review your edited text to ensure everything looks as expected. With these steps, you can efficiently create a polished and professional-looking document using Claude Edit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.